Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make delicious and healthy garlic shrimp with vegetables, a dish that's perfect for a quick and easy weeknight dinner. With fresh ingredients, fragrant garlic and juicy shrimp, it's a dish that's sure to satisfy. So grab your aprons and let's start cooking. Now into a mixing bowl you're going to add 400 grams of jumbo prawns or shrimp, and to this then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of sweet paprika and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We'll season liberally with some salt, some freshly ground black pepper, and then we'll give them a good mix up. Now that they're fully mixed, we're just going to set them to the side while we prepare some vegetables. So I've just chopped 1 red pepper, 1 courgette and 1 onion into bite-sized pieces, and again we'll set those to the side. Now over to a frying pan, we're going to spray with some low-calorie cooking oil, and then we're going to add our prawns. Now we'll cook those for 2 to 3 minutes just until they start to go pink, and then we'll remove them from the pan. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. Now into the same pan I'm going to add the onions, and we're going to fry those for 2 to 3 minutes. Now once the onions are slightly softened, we're going to add 120 milliliters of chicken stock, and we'll cook that for 2 or 3 minutes just until it reduces and the onions take on the flavour. Now we're going to add 3 cloves of crushed garlic, the courgette and the red pepper that we've chopped from earlier, the juice of half a lemon, and another 120 milliliters of chicken stock. Now we'll cook those for a further 3 to 4 minutes just until the vegetables start to soften. Now once our vegetables are softened, we're going to add 1 tablespoonful of unsalted butter, and we're going to let that melt in. Now once the butter's all melted in, we're going to return our prawns to the pan, and we're going to stir until well coated. Now I've just served mine on a bed of noodles, but these go really well with some rice. Now folks, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.